The 80D is Canon's newest enthusiast-level DSLR. As a follow-up to the 70D, the 80D is well-rounded and easy to use. It sports a new 24-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, which offers much better dynamic range and low-light performance than the 70D or 7D Mark II. The 80D has a new 45-point autofocus system with cross-type points. The center point is more sensitive to help focus in very low-light situations. The 80D is well-designed with a durable, weather-resistant body that's very easy to hold. It has a shutter rated to 100,000 cycles and should stand up well in typical use. Other features we love about the 80D are the fully articulated touchscreen, built-in Wi-Fi, and continuous autofocus in live view and movie capture modes. The quality of its HD footage is good, and its user-friendly design makes it easy to capture decent-looking video. It also offers some of the best autofocus during video capture of any DSLR. The 80D is a great choice for enthusiasts seeking a still and video hybrid camera for documenting everyday life. For more information about the Canon 80D and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com.